Hello, my name's Annette with Sunbeam Fabric Art. Today I wanted to show you how to change the blade on the Fons Porter 45mm rotary cutter. This is my favorite rotary cutter for safety purposes because the blade is always retracted unless you're actively cutting fabric. So step one is to unscrew the black bolt on the back of the rotary cutter. Then we press on that pin and the top part of that screw comes out that holds everything together. So really it's very easy, and then the blade is just sitting there loosely. And also for safety, I use an old plastic tea container to hold broken needles, old blades, bent straight pins, and that way these can be disposed of safely. Next, I want to thoroughly clean out the gunk that is in my rotary cutter. There is some oil on these blades, and that oil tends to pick up the lint from our fabrics. I'm using a little brush that came with my sewing machine to just clean this rotary cutter out thoroughly and get all that lint and gunk out of there. Next, I select a new blade and I kind of slide it between two of my fingers to make sure that I only have one blade. I've done that before where I've accidentally put two blades on my rotary cutter, but I'm making sure I just have one. Next, I take the pin screw part of the device. I press that through the rotary blade and through to the back side, and then I simply screw that bolt back onto the cutter, and I am ready to cut. Thanks for joining me today. I hope to see you back real soon.